Hello everyone. Today we are going to see prepositions and their kinds. Let's examine what is a preposition. Preposition is a word that shows the relation between the subject and the object. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show in what relation the person or thing denoted by a noun stands to something else. Let's see some prepositions. Words such as on, in, under, below, beside, from, near, with, round, at, for, of, among, along, about, after, over, up, down, by, before, since, behind, beyond, into, etc. are prepositions. These words are always placed before noun or pronoun to show relation between the subject and the object. Now let's understand kinds of prepositions. There are three kinds of prepositions. 1. Simple prepositions. 2. Compound prepositions. And 3. Phrase or phrasal prepositions. First, we are going to see in detail simple prepositions. Which are simple prepositions? Let's read them. At, by, for, from, in, of, on, through, till, to, up, with. These are simple prepositions. Second type of prepositions is compound prepositions. Compound prepositions which are generally formed by prefixing a preposition. For example, about, above, across, along, amidst, among, amongst, around, before, behind, below, beneath, beside, between, beyond, inside, outside, underneath, within, without. These are compound prepositions. And third one is phrase or phrasal prepositions. Phrase or phrasal prepositions are groups of words used with the force of a single preposition. It means with original preposition there are used some groups of words that are called phrase or phrasal prepositions. For example, according to, agreeably to, along with, away from, because of, by dint of, by means of, by reasons of, by virtue of, by way of, for the sake of, in accordance with, in addition to, in behalf of, in case of, in comparison to, in compliance to, in consequence of, in course of, in favor of, in front of, in order to, in place of, in reference to, in regard to, in spite of, in the event of, on account of, owing to, with a view to, with an eye to, with reference to, with regard to. These all are the phrase prepositions. Now I would like to give assignment for practice. Question number 1. Pick out the prepositions from the following sentences and state their kinds. Sentence number 1. He acted according to my instructions. Sentence number 2. There is a big tree in front of my house. Sentence number 3. The road runs over hills and plains. Sentence number 4. He killed 2 birds with 1 shot. Sentence number 5. She lived in Mumbai for 5 years. In this way, today we have seen prepositions and their kinds. Students, you have to solve questions. Those are given in assignment in your classwork. Thank you.